Hi, Bazala Baramzito. Welcome to Life with Magajane. I am Umagajane. So, guys, today's topic is about Umihlali. Mihlali has wrote an open letter, guys, about the trending news about Ngaye mus. We know that Umihlali has been trending last week, and she decided ukuthi aphendule all the allegations that boyfriend yakhe or ex-boyfriend yakhe uLeroy Sidambe azishilo. So, guys, I'll post a video where uMihlali akhuluma afunda that open letter, then I'll come back, guys.
Struggles to articulate myself and express my feelings, so I have written you guys an open letter and I hope you are willing to hear me out. Let's get started. I come before you today with a heavy heart and a sense of responsibility to address a matter that has been circulating and has deeply affected me. It was with great vulnerability that I admit I was involved in a toxic relationship. This relationship started off verbally and emotionally harmful, and matters quickly escalated to it being physically harmful. I, unlike others, can take full accountability for my involvement in the toxic dynamic. One can only keep quiet for so long after tolerating gaslighting, aggression, emotional abuse, manipulation, obsessive behavior, and control tactics employed by an individual. Tactics used to distort my perception of love, which led me down a path of pain and torment. The scars of this experience run deep, and the trauma continues to echo in my personal life and in my business. Such cases can be complex, escalate gradually over time, and difficult for some to understand, especially if they have no personal experience. However, that does not discredit or invalidate my story as I have lived it. It is imperative for us to educate ourselves on the nature of emotional abuse, gender-based violence, and the devastating impact it has on families, individuals, and communities. Despite the darkness that has clouded my past, I am filled with hope and determination to embark on a journey of healing. I'm committed to seeking the support and resources necessary to get the help I need to reclaim my sense of dignity and self-worth. Through my healing journey, I hope to inspire others to speak out, seek help, and break free from any toxic environment, as nobody deserves it. Thank you so much for listening, guys, and I really would like to humbly ask that you respect, support, and understand me as I navigate this challenging journey towards healing and empowerment. And to everybody who has reached out concerned about my safety, my well-being, and sent words of encouragement, they do not go unnoticed, and I truly do appreciate it.
So, Bazala Baramzito nimzwile open letter kaMihlali Ndamas explaining what really happened. And I could say yena maybe makayisho because uthe makaqala ukusho wathi akakwazi akusumuntu ongakwazi okwazi ukukhuluma imizwa yakhe. So she wrote something. That's something I thought mina izosho into eningi like Leroy on his statement sakhe said yena uMihlali uze ngenkani kwakhe waforced umntwana ukuthi amvulele bekaphethe umeso uMihlali, and uMihlali she's taking substances that uLeroy angakakhona ukuzisho ngamagama. So on this open letter kaMihlali, uMihlali akashongo even a single thing to clarify all the allegations uLeroy azisho ngayo. And the third part is ukuthi uvela on this video unama bruises. Mina do I believe her makathi i-relationship yabo is toxic? Yes. And the third part about relationship kaMihlali Ndamas and Leroy is emotional career kaMihlali. Now Mihlali is been trending ukuthi utoxic, and if uhlanganisa into wayenza kumusa ukushaya umusa naye aphuma athi yes ufile ngathi ngabe uyenze even more, obviously izomfanele lento leyo ukuthi uyashaya. And yena on that letter udlala irole ye-GBV, kanti ke i-GBV doesn't only apply to abantu besimame nabantu besibabe nabantu besilisa. So sengize abantu besibabe nabantu besilisa bayahlukumeza. We know that by now. We know that bakhona abantu besifazana abahlukumeza abantu besilisa. So iletha leya ya sorry guys yakaMihlali, mina if benguye bonye ngibhale because akashonga next ebalekile ebebe menza ukuthi atrend ukuthi uphela boyfriend yakhe ithe she's on what substances, she's taking izinto anyeka khona ukuzisho. So akayiclarifyanga that thing. The only thing I should ukuthi the i-relationship yabo it was toxic, icale nge-emotional abuse, yathi verbal. yakhuphuka ngokukhuphuka ke guys yiyo le and lapho on that part guys I believe her lona la I believe her because even on this video you can see unama-bruises and guys lama-bruises lawa kusiwo umuntu ophushiwe la akamphushanga kuphela yes yena mhlambe manje angasaba ukuvula icase ngoba vele maybe kumenzile ungene nomese and vele kuzoba into self defense athi ufonile wangabambi ifone boyfriend and mina I don't understand guys ukuthi mangabe wena ujole nendoda yomuntu wathatha umuntu or boyfriend womuntu knowing ukuthi this person uku relationship or married wathatha that boyfriend wayenza eyakho ne then le boyfriend le mase ifuna amanye ama girlfriend so ulwelani cause uyamazi lo muntu wakho ukuthi unjani angithi umthathe komunye umfazi I mean like umkhiphe emshadweni lo muntu lo so ulwelani lengaka so I guys umihla lendamase uyibhalile into ayibhalile I believe vela ama-friends wakhe azomkhulumela njengoba ahlala amkhulumela but mina I don't lie the letter angiyizwa nje nokuthi bekafuna ukuthini angifuni nje ucamba manga and angeke ngize ngilo ngithi ngidrake uLeroy because uLeroy uproduce into enengi and we can't play i-role into yokuthi the card ukuthi vele abantu besilisa abahlukumeza abantu besimame as if we don't know ukuthi bakhona abantu besilisa abahlukumezekayo so and at this moment uye oke wavela nama-allegations ukuthi washaya futhi they were not allegations because yena uke waphuma on internet wathi yes vele umusa khawula ngimshayile so izobonakala engathi uye vele onodlame so hey guys I just hope this all this angeke affect ibhek yakhe kangako and I just pray ukuthi umihlala aphume kule relationship at some point wonke umuntu kwayenza into wrong maybe yena she thought ukuthi dating a married man naye sure ukuthi mele ube yipeace yakhe she thought maybe yena uzoba yipeace yalo guy uzoba happy what yalo guy kanti no indoda eshisayo into mele expect mamthathe emuntwini nawe kuzophuma ayikho enye guys. But ke bazalwane bami so please do comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.